Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit in Audacity by selecting exact audio portions with precision. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see your audio project or workspace, you'll need to access the right tool for making precise selections. Direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the toolbar. Here, click on the Selection tool, which appears as the normal I-beam cursor. This tool is essential for selecting specific portions of your audio, and it's the foundation for any editing work you'll do in Audacity. Now that you have the Selection tool active, click on the waveform at the point where you want your selection to start. This could be at the beginning of a phrase, right before a noise you want to remove, or any specific moment in your audio that you need to work with. After clicking your starting point, drag your cursor to where you want the selection to end. As you drag, you'll notice the area becoming highlighted. This highlighted area represents the exact portion of audio you've selected and will be the focus of any edits you make next. Next, take a look at the selection bar located at the bottom of your screen. This bar is incredibly useful because it shows you the precise timing of your selection. You'll see H, which stands for hour, M, which stands for minutes, and S, which stands for seconds. The first row displays the start time of your selection, and below it, you'll see the end time. This numerical display gives you exact control over your audio editing. Here's where things get even more precise. Alternatively, you can manually enter a number for a second, minute, or even hour if you need exact timing. Just click on any number in the selection bar, whether it's for the start or end time, and type in your desired value. For example, if you want your selection to end at exactly 2 minutes and 30 seconds, simply click that field and enter the number. Once you do this, the highlighted part of your waveform will automatically adjust to match your new timing specifications. This feature is perfect when you need frame-accurate edits or when you're working with specific timestamps. And that's it. You now know how to make precise audio selections in Audacity, giving you complete control over exactly which parts of your audio you want to edit. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.